We'll guide you through how to edit YouTube Shorts on CapCut. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Launch the CapCut desktop software on your computer to begin your creative session. Click the Sign In button in the top left corner of the primary dashboard. Choose the Sign In with Google option for a fast and highly streamlined login. Select the specific Google account you wish to use for your projects. Click the Continue button on the permission screen to authorize the app. Select Open CapCut in the browser pop-up to return to the active app. Confirm you're logged in to access cloud and all premium features. Click the Create Project button to open the primary video workspace area. Select the Import button to begin adding raw material to library. Navigate through local folders to locate the specific media assets needed today. Select the specific video files that you intend to use for editing. Click Open to successfully bring assets into your media library. Click and drag your media directly onto the horizontal editing timeline below. Cut the parts of the video you do not want to use now. Click the text menu and select the Auto Captions tool. Click Generate to allow the AI to transcribe speech into subtitles. Change the text style by using presets on the right menu. Click on the Ratio button on the preview player to adjust size. Select the 9:16 portrait ratio to ensure your video fits mobile screens. Click on the video and scroll down on the right menu. Click Canvas and change the setting from None to Blur. Choose the specific blur intensity that makes your content pop visually. Review the timeline to check if video and captions are aligned. Click the Export button located in the top right corner screen. Set the resolution to 1080p within settings for high-quality video project results. Adjust the bitrate to a higher setting to maintain video clarity. Choose H.264 as your codec for maximum device compatibility across platforms. Select MP4 as your output format for balance of size. Set the frame rate to 60 frames per second for smooth playback of projects. Click Export at the bottom of the window to begin rendering. Wait for the progress bar to finish as your short saves. Your video is now ready, and you can share it today.